What's going on, y'all? Riley here from Mad Vapes of Easily, coming at you another video today, talking about a new product we got in from Eleaf. It's called the Nano. This is it right here. The name does it justice. It's very small, probably about 2-3 inches tall at most. Really small magnetic cartridge. Well, magnetic adapter for 510 thread. So that's a cool thing. Comes with a cartridge. Comes with the magnet as well, so if you've got your own pre-filled cartridge, you can put it in there and not have any hassle. This is mainly a CBD oil kind of thing, very similar to the Swan if you've ever used it or seen it on our channel. The Swan was very popular for CBD oil, stuff like that. This is probably going to be a little bit nicer. I like Eleaf a little bit better. So if you're looking for a smaller CBD oil device, something discreet, something that you can throw in your pocket and not even feel that it's there. I mean, it literally weighs like nothing, maybe like an ounce. It's really, really light. So, yeah, they're really cool. Comes with a charger that's like 10 foot long, really long. It's probably 5 foot. Yeah, that's really it. One mode, 3 clicks on, 3 clicks off. Other than that, hold the button and inhale. Very straightforward. So if you got any comments, questions, or concerns about this device, you guys know the drill. Make sure you leave them in the comment section below. We do appreciate you watching the video. Hope to see you in the shop sometime. Peace out.